High interest rates are keeping many buyers on the sidelines, right? But the 2-to-1 buy-down is the perfect tool to get you back in the game. This strategy allows you to have an interest rate that is 2%, lower than the market rate for your entire first year of home ownership. In the second year, your rate will only be 1% lower before it finally adjusts to the standard fixed rate in the third year. The best part is that the cost of this lower rate is typically paid for by the seller as a closing cost concession, rather than coming out of your pocket. This gives you a huge amount of breathing room in your monthly budget, while you wait for a future opportunity to refinance into a permanent low rate. Unlike an adjustable rate mortgage, your maximum payment is locked in from day one, so there are never any scary surprises down the road. Lenders love this program because it helps buyers qualify more easily, while making the transition from renting to owning much more affordable. If you are looking for a way to beat today's high costs, make sure to ask your mortgage broker about adding a buy-down to your offer.